So now we go for the calculation of the insulation thickness. So basically it is a pipe. Suppose this is a pipe. So pipe will do the insulation of this pipe. So what is the calculation for the insulation thickness? So this is the basic formula for the calculation of insulation thickness, that is H is equal to small h into A into del T. What is the del T? Is the changing temperature, that is Th minus Ta. Ta is what? Nothing but the hot surface temperature for hot or the cold surface temperature for cold, and Ta is the ambient temperature. Ta is ambient temperature. So H, what is the capital H? That is the heat loss taking place. Small h is the heat transfer coefficient, and so we can calculate, we can get the value of heat transfer coefficient, as well as the A is nothing but the area for the insulation's area, and other is the changing temperature. And now this is the mean temperature. Mean temperature is Th plus Ts by 2. Th we have told earlier, there is a hot surface temperature for hot or cold surface temperature for cold. Ts is the surface temperature, and this divided by 2. Now there is other methodology, that is K. K is nothing but the thermal conductivity of insulator at the mean temperature of this Tm, that is the mean temperature, that comes under W meter in C. Tk is nothing but the insulation thickness, and R1 is the actual outer radius, that is the outer radius, how much, this is the, suppose the insulation, so this will be the outer radius, we calculate that is the outer radius, and this R2 is equal to R1 plus Tk. Tk is the insulation thickness. So suppose we take this one as Tk, that is the insulation thickness, and this one as R1, this is as R1, and then with this add, we get this is as R2, this value is R2. Now this is the heat rate is equal to Th minus Ta by R. R is the radius of this insulation. Ts minus Ta, that is the surface temperature minus ambient temperature, by this is the radius, outer radius. So now we can calculate the equivalent thickness of an insulation for pipe, that is R1 plus Tk, and Ln R1 plus Tk, this is insulation thickness plus R1. So now we'll go for numerical.